How to turn off push notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off push notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications and go down. Here you will find push notifications, click on it and then click push notifications here and you can turn it off as you see just by one click. And now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.